How to open a hotspot in iPhone. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So all you basically want to do is open up your settings. And once you are here in the settings, you want to scroll, well, not even scroll really, but over here in the airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, and personal hotspot settings, you kind of have it already over here. So if you click on there, this is basically what it will look like. So I have already enabled allow others to join. So probably for the first time, you have to click on there as well. Then beneath that, you can see that there is the Wi-Fi password. And this is basically the Wi-Fi password of your personal hotspot. So you can change this to whatever you would like to. And here you also have maximize compatibility. And it says internet performances may be reduced for devices connected to your hotspot when turned on. So if you turn this on, it will probably take up less data from you, but the Wi-Fi will actually be slower on the other people's devices. So maybe if you have multiple people on your hotspot, you might want to turn this on because you know, your 4G or 5G might just go low very fast. So the name of your hotspot is actually the name of your iPhone. So if you would like to, for example, change the name of the hotspot, you also have to change the name of your iPhone. So if you want to change that, you want to scroll a little bit down and then go to General. And then here at the top, you can see About. And this is where you can basically see all of the information of your iPhone. So at the top, you can see Name. And that's actually where you want to click on. And then here you can actually change it to whatever you would like to. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.